Is called Neon Kitty. My name is Avery, and we're going to be doing an unboxing of this makeup tutorial. We're going to be doing it on me. So, let's get started to open it. Okay. So, unboxing. Hey guys, I just finished unboxing and now we're going to start the tutorial. So I have my mirror right here. I'm just gonna get that ready. So there's this book what tells you like how to do it and stuff. You can do these girls, like color them and stuff. But I'm going to do myself because it's non-toxic makeup, so let's go. So the colors we're going to be using, we're going to be starting with the lips. This is the brush. I'm going to be using this pink color. Okay, guys, I used this pretty pink color with this brown brush. And now let's do the cheeks because we're going to do the eyes last. I'm going to be using this pink. Okay, I used the pink color. I think you guys know that I used the pink. But anyways, I use this pink one. And now we're just gonna, and I use this black brush. Now we're gonna be doing the eyes. Okay, so what we're gonna do for the eyes, we're gonna do this purple right here. And there's also this blue color. Go. Hey guys, I just finished doing my eyes, as you can see right here. And so now we're going to be doing my hair with these. You're wondering what these are for? To dye your hair. I really like this pink and purple. So we might do pink or purple. I don't know. We might do both. I don't know. So now let's go. Okay. I guess these hair pastels don't go in your hair, but I think they do go on these things. Guys, I guess this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. And remember to click that subscribe button and click the thumbs up. Bye, guys.